The key theme of this meeting is, as we've already been talking about, changing the story, which is why Nova has invested in a media fellowship program to tell us more about that vision. I'm really thrilled to invite Jackie Judd. She's an Emmy award-winning journalist who has reported for ABC News, NPR, PBS NewsHour, and many, many others. So over to you, Jackie. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you, Susan, so much. And it's been so interesting to be listening to everything that's been said in the hour prior. I appreciate being a part of this group. As Susan said, I spent most of my career as a journalist, and then as a second act, moved into health policy communications. And then I had this great opportunity to merge those two tracks by being part of Nova's Media Advisory Council, which has, as Susan suggested, helped select our very first class of media fellows, whom you will all meet in just a moment. We, meaning the committee and Brian and Susan, we set out to find journalists focused on health issues facing individuals, communities, the planet at large. As the Bermans always remind us, these are all interconnected. And importantly, we wanted journalists who could effectively focus on reporting on emerging and proven solutions to some of these issues. I have to say that I feel like Nova bravely stepped into this journalism space at a time when so many journalism organizations are contracting and new funding models are needed. And here we have one. It also came at a time when I so believe that clarity and honesty need to be there in the journalism field to silence misinformation, disinformation, which happens across the board, including in the spaces in which all of you work. And in the journalism community, there is clearly a hunger for the kind of opportunity which Nova has offered. We received dozens of applications. It was a tough process to get it down to 3. It was tough because there were so many terrific ideas and so many terrific reporters. And so it is now my true pleasure to introduce you to the 3 who survived this sometimes laborious process, who are exceptional journalists. They're going to fill you in on their projects: Kate Morgan, Virginia Goodwin, and Layla Nargi. Layla, I want to turn it over to you to get the conversation going. Thank you all.